Hello, my name is Jacob Jones. I am a computer science and math tutor at Mesa Community College, and today I will be showing you how to set up a C++ coding environment in jGrasp. Okay. So, the first thing you'll want is jGrasp, the place where you'll be writing your code. You can just go to Google and type in jGrasp. And there'll be the first link, jGrasp homepage. And then from here, you just go over to download jGrasp. This stuff is not necessary to fill out, but if you want to, you're more than welcome to. And then depending on your operating system, you'll download the correct file. It says so right here. One thing to note is, in order to use jGrasp, it requires Java 8, version 8 or higher. However, if you have the Java Development Kit or JDK already installed in the latest one, you do not need to download Java. If you don't have the JDK, you can just open up another Google search and type in Java download. This, go here and click Java download. It's a very simple installation. It may take a little bit, but you can download Java there. But since I'm running on Windows, I'm going to download the exe file. Okay, once that's downloaded, I want to start it up. A little thing's going to pop up saying it will wants to modify your computer, whatever, just let it. You want to go through the installation process. This is where jGrasp will be stored on your computer. Next. And these are all the file extensions. We're gonna be using .cpp, and if you get to more advanced C++ stuff, .h or all the other C++ files. I'm gonna click install. It's gonna install, and boom, jGrasp is installed. Now you have jGrasp installed. jGrasp is where you'll write your code, but now you need to get the software that will interpret your code and convert that into instructions for the machine, or a C++ compiler. You can find one by opening up another tab and just typing in Mingw. Mingw is the name of the compiler. Use this one. Yeah, gonna click download. This site looks a little sketchy, but I promise it's alright. It says our download will start shortly. Okay. The thing will pop up. You don't need to read any of this. If you want to, you're more than welcome to. Install. Click continue. Now I already have Mingw installed, so this will pop up for me. This will not pop up for you, but for the purposes of showing you how to install Mingw on your computer, I'm going to click reinstall. And then it will do this stuff. Okay, now that that's done, you can click continue. And then you're going to be brought to this web page, or this little tab, not really a web page. You're going to want to find your C++ compiler, which you can see right here. Click it. You're going to click mark for installation. You're going to come up here to this tab. You're going to want to click apply changes. It's going to ask you if you're ready. You click apply. This may take a while, and I'll be back once it's done doing its thing. Okay, that didn't take as long as I thought it would. It's done. Your first time installing it, it might take longer, but because I remember it being longer. Close, install. Update catalog if you want. It's done. Okay, so now you should have, Okay, so now you should have your C++ compiler installed. You can X out this, close this, and it might make a little desktop shortcut for jGrasp. You want to open it. And you might have some first time setups, but I already had jGrasp installed, but it shouldn't be anything too bad. Now, my jGrasp is set up to be a black background. You can change that with the Windows setting, or where is it? Yeah, in the settings here, if you want, but that's not the point of this video. So now we have the compiler, and we have the place where we're going to write our code. But now we have to tell the place where we write our code where the compiler is. So when we go to compile our code or run the program, we need to tell it where to go to convert the C++ code into machine. into machine language, something that the machine can understand. You're going to want to go to settings, path / class path, workspace. Now I already had mine set up. Make sure it'll probably bring you right here. You know, select your language to be C++. You can use G++ generic. I don't. And then you're going to want to go over here to path. I already have my path set up, so I'm going to remove it just so I can show you. No, you don't need this path here. This one probably won't be there for you. That's for Python, not C++. So you want to click New, Path. You want to click Browse. It's going to bring you, well, it should bring you all the way to your C drive. Now you need to find out where MingW is installed. For me, it's right there. I want to click, and it should be good to do MingW. Sometimes you have to do the MingW then to bin, but I'm just going to do to MingW. Choose, because that's what I had before. OK. Click Apply. Click OK. And now we need to test that this compiler is working. And so we're going to click File, New, C++. You might have to go to File, New, Other, then find C++ in there. And then we're going to write some code in C++ code. You don't need to necessarily know what this means right now. You just need to know. You just need to do this and see if it's working. So I'm going to write up a little simple Hello World program. Hello World. I'm going to do return 0. Okay. Then you want to click compile and link up here. It's going to ask you to save. Click save. You can name it whatever. I'm going to name it hello. And right here, it looks like it compiled successfully. Then you're going to want to click run. And if you get hello world, congratulations. You have successfully got a C++ compiler and editor working. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you another time.